Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You, and today I'll show you how to crochet a slip stitch to form a ring. So make the amount of chain stitches that are required, or what your crochet pattern has said to do, and then to do a slip stitch we'll be working into the first chain stitch that you made under both of those loops, leaving one loop at the back there. Move your yarn tail over and then wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through all 3 loops on the hook, and there you have formed a ring. And that's the slip stitch completed. So you're now ready to crochet into this ring.